Good morning, students. Welcome back in the online class of Social Studies. In the previous video, we had studied about chapter 12. Today, I will be teaching you chapter 13. Today, we will start chapter 13. And the name of the chapter 13 is The Desert Region. Okay. So, as it is clear with its name, in this chapter, we will know about desert. Okay. So, in short, see the main features of desert. Okay. See location of desert. We find desert in the state of Rajasthan, Punjab, Sindh province of Pakistan, Gujarat and Haryana. These states are not fully desert. Some parts of these states are desert. Okay. And 70% of the state Rajasthan is desert. Okay. See physical features. The desert has an undulating surface with high and low sand dunes. Sand dunes are small formation just like mountains. When winds blow, sand gets deposited at one place just like small mountain. These small mountain, very small mountain of sand is known as sand dunes. Sand dunes. Okay. Undulating means smooth, running smoothly. Okay. Climate. The desert climate. See, the region experiences, means the desert region experiences an extreme climate. Extreme means either too much hot or too much cold. Okay. And hardly receives any rainfall. Okay. In desert region, it rains below 50 centimeter. Okay. In summer, temperature near about 50 degrees Celsius, and in winter, temperature 4 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. So these are the main features of desert. Now we will know the desert region in detail. Okay. See here Rajasthan, Punjab, Pakistan. Okay. Here we find desert. Okay. Some parts of Pakistan, Rajasthan 70% and some parts of Punjab and Haryana. In this region we find desert. Okay. The Great Indian Desert. First we will see its location. Also known as the Thar Desert, is located in the northwestern part of India, as I shown you in the map of India. Okay. Mostly in the state of Rajasthan, means most of the desert region is in the state of Rajasthan. A part of it lies in the Punjab and Sindh province of Pakistan. Okay. It also extends into the northern part of Gujarat and the southern part of Haryana. Okay. Means desert extend in these states. Okay. Some parts of these states. But in Rajasthan, 70% of the total area is desert. To the west lies the Indus Plain and to the southeast is the Aravalli Range. The Rann of Kutch lies to the south and the Punjab plains are located in the north and northeastern parts of the desert. This is the location of desert. Okay, from where to where we can find desert. Now see physical features. As you can see on page number 118, sketch of Thar Desert in Rajasthan. Okay, in yellow color, this is Thar Desert and it covers Rajasthan and some parts of Pakistan and other states. The desert has an undulating surface with high and low sand dunes. Undulating means a smooth movement in a wave like motion, as we see motion and waves in water. In the same way, due to winds, waves like smooth surface movement we find in desert too. Okay, sand dunes are dunes which is made by wind. When wind blow, small mountain just like the shape of mountain it formed. Okay, these are known as sand dunes. As the direction of wind change, sand dunes form sometimes other direction and sometimes to the other direction. Okay, the winds in the desert region move the sand dunes from one place to another. As I told you, the winds in the desert region move the sand dunes from one place to another. These dunes are in continuous motion and take on varying shapes and sizes. Their shape and sizes depends on the movement of wind. The sand dunes may rise to a height of 500 feet. Okay, the soil in the desert region is not fertile because of severe wind erosion. Okay, erosion means the process by which the surface of anything is gradually or slowly destroyed by the movement of wind, water, etc. It is blown away with the sand. Dust storms are common in the months of May and June. The areas which are not having enough trees, dust storms are common in those areas. And in desert also very less vegetation, so dust storms quite common in those region or in this region. Okay, see climate. This region experiences an extreme climate and hardly receives any rainfall. See how different states or how different things are here in our country. In Manshinram, Meghalaya, we get enough rainfall, and here in Rajasthan we get hardly rainfall. So how different situations are here in one country. Due to the presence of sand which heats up and cools down very fast. This is the nature of sand. It heats up quite fast and cools down very fast. Okay. The days are very hot and the nights are very cold in the region of desert. May and June are the hottest months with temperatures soaring up to 50 degrees Celsius. In the month of May, June, temperature reaches here up to 50 degrees Celsius. During winters, the temperature varies. Means in winter, temperature is quite opposite of this. Temperature in winters from 4 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. January is the coldest month of the year. Okay. So students, revise chapter 13 the desert region, its location, physical features and climate. Thank you. God bless you all.